What's up, ladies and gents? Welcome back to Streamline Builds. Today we're going to be working on my beautiful 67 Camaro. We need to correct a problem that's been plaguing me for years. And I finally got all the parts and the gumption to attack this issue and get it going. Problem is, I've got a Muncie 4-speed close ratio with 373 gears, and it doesn't let me go anywhere or do anything or have fun with any of my friends or go on dates or go to car shows or cruise anywhere outside my rural town. It's like 30 miles to anywhere. And whenever I'm cruising this on the highway, people get all pissed off. They're honking their horns. They're throwing milkshakes at me, all these things. So that's why I got this. TKO-600 5-speed overdrive from Tremec. It has the, let's see, 0.82 overdrive. This is a TCET 4616. They also have a 4618, which would be the GM versions. Hey, Maui. I picked up this yoke separate. Takes a 1330 U-joint. It's about 6 inches overall. Got that off of Summit. I'll try and link the part number because they sell one for a TKO-TKX swap. That's about $100. I got this for 50. And it's also got 26 spline input shaft, which is why I got a new center force clutch disc. It's 11-inch, dual friction. I use these a lot for drift racing. I just loved them. It's cheap way to get good grip. They aren't going to last as long with the organic material, but they just grip really well and work awesome for a cheap price. This 11-inch disc was $103. Might even be $101. Super cheap. 101 Dalmatians. Okay, so we're going to start in the car by removing, sorry, it's very dark in here. We're going to remove the boot and remove the boot and the retaining plate. We can just pull the 2 bolts for the shift lever, and then we'll get under the car. I'll show you all that in detail so we don't miss anything. I'll let you know if I screw anything up or come into any issues. I'm going to start by pulling the straps on the U-joints at the rear axle so you can get the drive shaft out. We'll drop a couple nuts on the e-brake cable, get that out of the way, and then I'll show you a trick with the subframe, loosening a couple bolts on one side to get the cross member out because they're very tight on these Camaros. And from there, pull 4 bolts out of the transmission itself, get it completely out of the way, and then we can work on pulling the bell housing, which we'll just need to pull a spring and to get the bell crank loose, and then the 6 bolts around the bell housing. If I put all 6 in, I don't know. It's been a long time.
Anything on it? Jerry, can I show you?
Oh no!
What? All your fans want to see your video.
I know. Trying to give the world what they want. Come on, baby! Woo! Well, we cut the lid off this milk jug. Try our best. Catch all this oil out of the transmission. Pull the drive shaft. Hopefully it works. Oh my gosh, nothing's coming out.
What?
Perfect. What?
We did not driving a Camaro.
I thought you took the shifter out.
Oh. Yeah, I did. I'm gonna turn the car off. Okay. Now move the shifter back. Okay, let's move the shifter back. It's gonna be a video.
Okay. All right, so we just jacked the trans up a little bit, as high as it will go, so we can get a little space. And we're gonna try to get our cross member out. Hoping we don't have to drop the exhaust. Oh, a little tight.
Look at
Huh? What? You got an arrowhead? Show it to me. Show me the camera. Oh man, that is sweet. Found that in the yard?
I found it down the rocks. My mom will find it.
Amazing. Well, on a positive, didn't need to pull the e-brake cable, but on a negative, we did have to drop the exhaust to get this cross member out, which kind of sucks. And we still don't even have it out yet. Come on, baby. I love you. I love you so much. Come on. Oh, gosh, the exhaust is just so tight in this thing. Doesn't want to let her go. Well, drop the exhaust on one. Drop the exhaust on one side. And we got it. Okay. Speaking of, oh, I got a new cross member. So let me show you that. Let's see what the difference is. I'm not sure exactly if it's like a Turbo 400 one or not. Seemed like it's a little different, but it's kind of kicked back. The same.
You gotta see this. I found it.
He wasn't joking. They really found a dead armadillo.
What?
What do you think of the armadillo body?
Can I have some, Mom?
That was a pretty good find.
Dead armadillo.
Should we hang it on the Christmas tree next year or what?
Make a hat out of it. I cute.
See if we can get this stubborn old girl out of here without breaking my legs or my knees or my hips. I'm about as old as this thing is. Oh geez. Not looking forward to it. The new transmission weighs 99 pounds. I don't know what this one weighs. Probably about the same. I know I've done it before. Let's do it again. Come on, baby. Oh, God. Dang it, Bobby. Ah. Call the nurse. Oh. That thing's for sale. Come and get it. Ah. Jeez. Ah. It's stuck to my t-shirt. Okay, we made it. Yeah! See how easy it is? You can do this at home. You don't need a lift. It's really fun and easy. Alright, we got the old Muncie transmission out from the mounting flange to the center of the U-joint. We got some bad news. It's about 24 inches. The new transmission, which I was certain of, it's going to be longer. From here to the U-joint is about 26 and a half. So we're screwed.